In this video, we will show you how to take your recorded Zoom session to upload it to YouTube, and then take that link in YouTube and use it inside your Google Classroom so your students can see the video. While you were setting up your Zoom session, you had the option to record it. If you didn't record it, then during the live session, you can always press the record button, and you can also pause and stop it during times that you don't want those recorded. So for example, maybe you don't want a question and answer session to be recorded necessarily, so you can pause it then and then resume the video after you're done. After you have finished your Zoom session, there will be a conversion that takes place, and that conversion will look something like this. There will be a message that pops up that your Zoom meeting is being converted to a video. Now, if you have back-to-back Zoom sessions, you can always stop that conversion, and then after you're finished for the day, go back to your PC, go to Documents, and then go to Zoom, and then you'll see where it says to double-click to convert. Click on those, and then it will finish converting. After the conversion is over, inside, once again, your Documents, and then inside your Zoom folder, you will see a Zoom MP4 file, and that is the video that you want to use for YouTube. So let's look at a live demonstration of what this looks like on a computer. So this is where I am. I'm in Documents and Zoom. If I go right here and click on this session, I can see that I have double-click to convert here, and I need to convert that session to a final recording. I can also go and find which file I'm going to use in just a few minutes to upload into YouTube, and that one is right here. Notice I have the Zoom session right here. It's an MP4 file, and that video is ready for me to upload. So let's go to the second part. Our next step is to upload the Zoom video into YouTube. Go to the top right corner and make sure that you're in your FCPS account. You can do that by clicking on the thumbnail. That should be your picture or your initials, and checking to see that you're logged in with a Fayette County account. After you've done that, go to the Create button, click on it, and then click Upload Video. Next, I will select the file where my video is on my computer. I need to go to Documents, Zoom, and then find the file from that session. Make sure you're choosing the MP4 file. As it's processing the video, go ahead and type in the title and description. In this case, it's Session 1, Pre-Algebra, August 24th. This video covers order of operations. Now you can select a thumbnail, which is the cover of your video that you're going to see. A preview of your cover shows right here. If you'd like to add your video to a playlist, you can do that by checking your different playlists that you have, or creating a new playlist by clicking on this button. For the audience, be sure to check which one is appropriate for the content that is in your video. Yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids. Click Next. You may add other video elements here if you would like. For visibility, you can choose private, unlisted, or public. Because this was a live Zoom session with your class, we're going to choose unlisted. If you have other videos that you've created where it only has instructional content and no students are present, then you can choose public. I'm going to copy the link here so I can use it in my next step by clicking on this button. Choose Save. As the video continues to process, I can then go to my next step. You'll want to open up a new tab. Then choose Google Classroom. Click on the class that you want to use. Click on Classwork and then Create. Choose an assignment. Type the title in and also any other directions that your students will need. Click on the Add button. Then click on YouTube. Choose URL. Paste the URL by typing Ctrl-V. Click Add. Change the points to ungraded. The topic can also be part of what you're using in classroom, and I'm using days of the week for my topics. Choose Assign. Now students can go to their classwork, click on Monday, and they can see the video that you've posted. They can click on the video to watch it. And that is how you add a video inside Google Classroom.